I'm going to make a table rubbish thrower, like a dustbin or what, basket. Okay, basket. As a basket, and I use the tin, and I can put the plastic like this. So whenever I want to clear mud, I just take out the plastic and throw away. This is how I'm going to do it. First thing is I'm going to do chain here, around here. Then go down and tie it here. The crochet. Okay, we'll start later. This one, I'm going to use 40 chain. Using number 3. 40. This is not counted. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm using 2 threads of nylon, brown and black, so it will show look like a basket, I think. And this is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. This 2 thread one, we have to be careful. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Then we do a slip stitch. Look small, huh? Okay, we put another extra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's 50. Okay, let's come in. I think 50 is fine, I think. Maybe I put another 50, so 60 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 60 already. 60. Then do a slip chain. 10, isn't it? So 60, isn't it? 60 divided by 6 will be 10. So I'm going to do single crochet first, like that, and this is 1 chain, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 ready, and I'm going to increase here. Increase means the thread coming out. So every time you have to be careful. I'm going to increase here. Same chain 2. So 9, go to 9 single crochet, and then the 10th will increase. Go around until here it will be like 6 times. come around. Ready? Now do slip chain. Let's move away from the camera. I don't know why. Slip chain like that. Then we're going to do 3 chain. 1, 2, 3. Then we go. Don't do on this one. Do on the next one. Single crochet. No, double crochet. So this one count as 1, 2 already. 1, 2. Now 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This one I cannot show a pattern for this because I don't know what kind of tin you're going to get. Now here we're going to increase 3 on the same chain. Like that. Okay, so 10 and then increase 3, 10 then increase 3 until you reach here. Now I did the measurements. Oh, that's correct. Yeah. Now I'm just going to do slip stitch here. Like that. Then 1, 2, 3. All double crochet. No increase, no nothing. All double crochet. So it will be going down like that. If it's slightly tight, it's good. And I measure this, then you will know more or less how much it is. 4 inches. 4 inches. Yeah, 4 inches round. And it's 4 and 4 and 4 and a half. 4 and a half. Almost 5. The 4, 3 and a quarter. This one. So this I made how many lines already? This one all single crochet. All double crochet is 1. Don't count this one. This is increased one. Don't count this. This one is increased one. This one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. This one I unpicked because I asked to put 3, isn't it? To increase. I increase only 2. I unpick and I did increase 2 only. This part. You see, you count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then there increase. Increase only 2. See, 2. And then very simple. Now I'm going to do slip stitch here. A slip stitch done ready. Slip stitch here. Now I'm going to do is 1 2 3 chain there, and this one called as that one ready. This one, go to the next 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 ready. Now you reduce, hook this thread like that, do like that down, and then take a thread and then take that thread, go through and like that, and go through all. So do the, you count 10 and then reduce on the 11th. All around will be like 6 times. Now come to the end ready, do a slip stitch and count to 3 again, 1 2 3, then double crochet, count to 9, six, 7, 8, 9, okay, 9. Now this one decrease, don't finish up, like that. Now all together go through, do this 9 times around here. That means 9 and then reduce, 9 then reduce. So done. Okay, do slip stitch on this and another chain, consider that a knot, and keep a long string, longer, and cut it. And so you take one thread of it like that, you weave in and out, weave in and out like that, and this one also you weave in and out the other side. You do it the other side until you reach to this and this half of the end. Now it's done, the weaving done, so you just have to slot it in like that. This one goes back here. Then you just pull. There, see? Nicely. So you got your waste paper basket, small one, on the putting on the table one. And then you just make a knot like don't tie it, and because you need to open up. Don't tie it tightly or what, because later you need to open up to throw away the rubbish. And then you just hide it at the back like that. Just done. And then you want to decorate your basket. This will be nice too. I got this leftover. I don't know where to put it. I don't want to put in the water bottle there. I think I might as well put it here. Look nice bit.